Lenders, critical part of your team. We can't do real estate if we don't have money. So that's very important. The kind of lenders and the kind of money you're gonna want for wholesaling is transactional funding. And that varies in costs and how it's gonna look like. So for us in the beginning, our transactional funding actually came from friends and family. So we put together an account with $70,000 and we raised that from 3 different people. And we paid them 12%. We paid a lot of money for that money in the beginning, but we needed it. It was our business. And yours might come from different sources in different places. Comment below, let us know where you're getting it or where you're not getting it from, and we can address that, hit you up, and see how we can help. I'll come up with something creative or whatever we need to. But so we borrowed that money at 12%. And what was so important about that is that that money, once it was wired out for a property, it was gone, right? But our title company knew never, ever, ever disperse our buyers' money until we have our sell side money from the house we wholesaled, because we need to make sure our money is protected and that for whatever reason, if our buyer that we wholesaled the house to didn't bring the cash to closing, we weren't out that money and stuck with a property. Because for us, we had to keep the money moving because we had more closings. We were closing between 10 and 15 properties a month with the exact same set of money. And eventually, a couple years into it, we worked out to the point where we were able to have our own money for transactional funding. And some of you might not have that privilege in the beginning. So a few sources is, like I said, friends and family. You might have equity in your house that you could use for transactional funding. And there are other companies out there that we're currently working with to get vetted that offer transactional funding. Some offer it for 1%, 2% of whatever they lend out, but it's out there. And we want to help you find it if that's an issue, because it should not be an issue. So that's why having a good lender on your team could help so much, and it'll make things so much easier, and it'll open up so many more doors to find properties and to buy and sell properties.